Hey guys, hope everybody had a good day trading today. So we had a pretty red day again today. So a lot of big things happened today. And I didn't make a video last night, so I kind of could talk about last night's video too. But biggest thing we see here is that this support line, this is actually October CPI, and then this is the day before November CPI. The support line that established, we have officially broken through that support line. So that's a big deal. That really opens this downside. And you can see here we are kind of established in a bear channel now too. So the biggest thing that happened is yesterday we broke and closed under the daily 200 EMA, and we closed back below that key 402.3 level. Now we are under previous key 395.2 support level. Now we could see a bounce back up and end up just chopping in this 395.2 to 402.3 level, but we'll just have to kind of see how it goes. Overall, what I'm seeing now though is a breakdown, and we did hold this 100 EMA here. It's kind of a tough place to be. Had we closed under the 100 EMA, I probably would have expected tomorrow to break down to 390.1, and I really actually expected to end the day, but we had a really big push up at the end of the day. So now we have a case where we could see a double bottom here off 393.8, and we could try to test some resistance up this way. We could even try to get back over that 395.2 level. However, there's also just as good of a chance that we break down and we just do test 390. If we close under 390.1 tomorrow, then that really opens the downside, and we still have a CPI gap here at 381.14 to fill. That could happen after CPI too, obviously. That could happen this week still. It just kind of depends. But we had our fourth red day in a row here. So I kind of would be surprised to see another red day tomorrow, but it's not impossible. Also, thing to note here is that the Jay Powell speech on Wednesday, that whole massive, unbelievable rally we went on, we have given all of that back up now over the last 4 days. So key levels I'm going to be watching is this 393.7 level, 390.1, and then eventually up here at 399.4. Going over to futures, so kind of a similar thing here. We had this big level. The biggest thing is we lost 39.60, and now we have our key level down here at this 39.44 level, 39.45 level. From here, we're going to test a 100 EMA possibly overnight, which is right here at 39.35, and then the 50 is down here at 39.16. Major level is 39.10, and then over here at 39.60 to get back up. Going over to the VIX. The VIX had a big day today. The last really two days have been pretty big days. Biggest thing to happen is this bear channel that we've been in since October. We popped through over the 8 EMA now. We did touch the 20 EMA and we rejected. So I would like to see us closed over this 20 EMA, and then I would not be surprised with CPI and FOMAC next week to see the VIX up in this 24 to 24 to 28 level by end of week, and really in the next week. Overall, with CPI coming up and FOMAC, we should really expect a big move. I'm leaning more towards a case where CPI might beat. I'm waiting for consensus to come out. I'm hoping it comes out tomorrow, where we might get a huge green day on CPI, but then the next day we follow it up with a massive red day when Jay Powell says we're going to do 50 basis point hike and another 50 basis point hike, or he surprises us with a 75 basis point hike. I think we would have to have a miss on CPI for him to surprise us with a 75, but it is a scenario. There's another smaller scenario where core misses or month over month misses, and the algos really go crazy with the month over month change now that the year over year is expected to come down. If they do that, we're kind of looking at a repeat of September right here, where we kind of got caught off guard and we just led into the massive dump here. And I really think that would give Jay Powell some fire to pull a bigger basis point hike and continue basis point hikes. And then that's going to lead to some sort of big, massive dump down in this range. So be interested to see where the rest of the week goes and where we go next week. All right, you guys have a good night. Thanks for tuning to this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated to my videos. This is the Lifetime Discord link. If that does not work, go ahead and drop me a comment or send me a message and I'll get you a new one. On the Discord, I do pre-market update with key supports and resistance from overnight. I also do live analysis and commentary throughout the day on SPY and Tesla. And I also do my live alerts for call-outs for plays that you guys see in my daily log. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Reddit under Daddy Dersh.